Every time I call, I can get in either that same day or the afternoon, which is perfect, especially with having kids and a busy schedule.
The kind of availability that you get with Dr. Host is pretty much unheard of.
Dr. Host has got a secure email system where she can send us any messages, or we can send her a message saying, we have this condition, or we can discuss any issue that we have. And since it is very secure, we can communicate with her as much as we want to. She can either recommend me some over-the-counter medication or ask me to come in and see her directly. Or she can call in a prescription based on what symptoms that I have.
That's really nice if you have something that comes up maybe after hours that's not an emergency, but you're always wondering and you quite forget to ask when you're in here. A lot of times people use it to ask, like, hey, can I change this medicine? I think I'm having a side effect.
If I have any lab work done or any testing, I'll get an email, and it'll even show me reports from the hospital so that I can have that for my records, and then I'm informed. I'm not waiting for the doctor to call me and say you have a problem or you don't. I needed to see Dr. Host. I needed to speak to her about some symptoms that I was having. So I called, and it happened to be on a weekend. And I knew that she was going to be out of town getting a further certification. And sure enough, within an hour's time or so, she called. And she listened to what I needed. She advised me as to what I should do. I came to see her then on Monday, and everything was squared away. I get medications. I get answers. She does acupuncture. She offers massage now. She asks for my opinion, which I really enjoy. She's got the time. She's got the energy. I have recommended Dr. Host and this DPC structure that she's doing to many of my friends.
I would recommend Dr. Host to any of my family or friends or neighbors or anyone. It's just all in all, a much different experience and much more pleasant experience getting medical care than I've had in the past.